In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your store currency on Shopify to US dollars or euros or any other currency out there. So for this, you want to sign into your Shopify account and then click on settings right here. Once you're in settings, you want to find general, which is right here in the top left corner. If you're not able to find it, you can also hit the search bar and then type in general, but I'm just going to click here for now. On here, you want to scroll all the way down until you find the store currency. So this is the currency your products are sold in. After your first sale, currency is locked in and can't be changed. To change your payout currency, go to the payment settings right here. So this is where you can click on your store currency and then you can choose any of these currencies out here. So I'm currently using the US dollar. I can choose euros, British pounds, Canadian dollars, and then all of these other currencies out there. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. If this quick video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.